Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 6:53 here on a Wednesday morning. It's April 21st, 2020. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Just sort of leaked to the press here overnight, Jay Powell, the Federal Reserve Chair, wrote a letter to Senator Rick Scott from Florida talking about the Fed's policy towards inflation. Of course, throughout the first quarter, commodity prices have been rising substantially, and here into the second quarter as well. Lumber, copper, etc. have all been setting really robust highs. The Fed chief says we have it under control. The economy may temporarily exceed the Fed's 2% inflation target, but if they do hit a 3-4% number, they will take action, right? Here's what the Fed can do to combat inflation. Of course, they can raise interest rates, stop buying as many treasuries to sort of right now they're artificially suppressing interest rates to the tune of about $120 billion in purchases a month. They do have tools in their toolkit to fight inflation. We'll see if they deploy them here if prices do start to rise. Oil's down a little bit after the API report yesterday, down a little bit more here today. Folks a little bit jittery about virus concerns in India. Certainly we're seeing 200,000 plus new cases a day, India being one of the big new users of oil in the world. Also, refinery runs continue to be an issue on a go-forward basis. We may see some bullishness here in the sector as China's refinery maintenance season comes to an end a little bit later on in the month. Again, OPEC is perhaps not even meeting at the end of the month. They met a few weeks ago, so they're considering canceling their meeting here at the end of the month. It'll be interesting to see in the oil patches. Really, we're hitting an inflection point. Summer's really about to start. Refineries are coming off online because they're coming out of maintenance season. It's kind of put up or shut up time. I expect some higher volatility throughout the next weeks and months. Netflix shares down quite a bit after subscriber growth stalled in the first quarter. They reported earnings last night down to about 3.5 million subscribers, new subscribers in Q1. That missed analyst expectations of about 6 million. Of course, Netflix also expected about 6 million, but the company did announce, I believe, a $5 billion buyback. Apparently, Netflix is now a value company. Netflix an opportunity list name. Been there for a number of years, I believe. Down a little bit here in the pre-market to around $500 a share. And lastly, Amazon is rolling out a system to pay by waving your hand. It's already in Amazon stores. There are 11 of them. They're going to put it into Whole Foods as well. Starting in Seattle, you're going to be able to just wave your hand above a scanner, link a credit card, and then when you go back and buy your groceries, no credit card needed. Just scan your hand, it'll pay, and on you go. Should be an interesting way. I think they're going to roll it out to some additional companies, start licensing that technology. But hey, if you're going home from the gym, want to grab a bite to eat on the way home, be nice to just scan your hand, not have to carry a credit card around. That's what I had here for this morning. If you want some additional information throughout the day, feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's OKCCFA CFP. Until then, I'm out.